A very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome to Sub.S.St e-learning classes. My name is Francis sir, and today my dear children, we will be studying social science subject for standard 4. And the chapter which we are going to study today is chapter number 13. The name of the chapter is Our Agriculture. So let's read and understand this chapter. Agriculture. Agriculture or farming is the practice of cultivating land. It also includes other farm related practices like horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. So what is agriculture, my dear children? Agriculture, it is also known as farming. And what is farming? Farming is the practice of cultivating land. When we cultivate land to grow crops for consumption, that is to eat. Now, agriculture also includes other farm related practices like horticulture. Horticulture means the art or practice of cultivating fruits, vegetables, and it also includes livestock rearing when we keep animals, okay, we keep birds, and we keep fishes also. So all these are taken together and called agriculture. Agriculture gives food for our consumption and raw materials for industry. So agriculture also gives us food for consumption, like how I had told, and it gives raw materials for industries. Nearly 3/5 of the Indian population are farmers. So 3/5 of the Indian population are farmers. 3/5. What makes India an agricultural country? Fertile soil, favorable climate conditions and adequate irrigation facilities have made it possible for farmers of our country to grow a variety of crops. So there are a lot of factors why India is called an agricultural country. What are they? They are fertile soil, then favorable climatic conditions, and adequate irrigation facilities or good irrigation facilities. So these are the reasons why India is called an agricultural country. Now we come to the cropping seasons. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Kharif crops are sown in the starting of monsoon and harvested at the end of monsoons. Crops such as rice, maize, millets, jute and cotton are grown during the season. So India has 3 seasons, among which the first season is the Kharif crops. Now what are Kharif crops? They start at monsoon season and are harvested also at the end of monsoon. Now what are the crops which are grown? It is rice, maize, millets, then you have jute, and cotton. So this was all about Kharif crops. Now let's come to the second type of cropping season, the Rabi crops. The Rabi crops are sown at the starting of winter season and harvested at the starting of summer season. Crops such as wheat, barley, peas and mustard are grown in this season. So the second type of crop is Rabi crops. They are sown when? They are sown at winter season harvested at which season? At the start of summer season. And what are the crops which are grown? It is wheat, barley, peas, and mustard. These crops are grown during the Rabi season. Now we come to the third type of season. In between the Rabi and the Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as the Z season. So we have the third type of cropping season, which is the Z. So we have the Z crop. Now the Z crops, it is being cultivated in the short season during summer months. So in the short season of summer months, the Z crops are grown. And what are the fruits or vegetables? Crops such as vegetables and seasonal fruits are grown. So vegetables and seasonal fruits are grown. Fruit. So this was all about the cropping season. Now we come to the types of crops. What are the types of crops? In India, farmers produce two types of crops, food crops and cash crops. So when we come to the types of crops, we see that there are two types of crops. One, it is the food crops, and second is the cash crops. So my dear children, till now we will stop here. In our next class, we will move ahead with the first type of crops, which is the food crops. So till then, whatever we have studied, please revise. Thank you.